Okay, number 11. A class of 30 students had an average of 92 points on a geography test out of a possible 100. If 10 of the students had a perfect score, what was the average score for the remaining students? So those 10 students each scored 100, so that's 1,000 points, plus the 20 other students had some average, we don't know what that is, and then all 30 students have an average of 92, so their total points would be 30 times 92. And so we can find this average of these 20 students by solving for this average. And so this is 1,000 plus 20 times this average that we need, and that equals 30 times 92, which is 2760. So subtract the 1,000, divide both sides by 20. So this average of these 20 students is 1760 divided by 20, 88. Answer choice C. Okay, at this business by noon, 1/4 of the company's employees, X, had arrived to work. An hour later, 30 more arrive, which ended up being 1/2 of the number of employees. So we just solve for X. So we'll subtract 1/4 X from both sides, then multiply both sides by 4. And so the company has 120 employees. Answer choice D. Okay, in this figure, BD and AC bisect each other. So we know we have those congruent segments. The two lines are also at right angles, so then we have all these little right triangles in here. BD is 12, so these are each 6. AC is 16, so each of these are 8. And we're asked to find the area of triangle ACD, which is this triangle. So the area of the triangle is 1/2 the base, which was 16, times this altitude here, which is 6. So the area is 48. Answer choice A. Now another way to work this problem is to remember that the area of any quadrilateral with diagonals that are perpendicular is 1/2 the product of the diagonals. That gives you the area of the entire quadrilateral, and this quadrilateral has symmetry, and so ACD is 1/2 of that area. And so that's 16. So it's 1/2 of 1/2 of 12 times 16, so that's 48. So there's another way to work the problem. Okay, here we have an equation. We need to find T when S is 2 and Q is 50, so we'll put 50 in for Q, 2 in for S. And we can do some simplifying here. 2 and 4 reduce. We can multiply both sides by the reciprocal. And so T is 20. Answer choice B.